Today, I'll show you how to add an Add to Cart button on Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a new online store or enhancing an existing one, adding this button is essential for streamlining the shopping experience for your customers. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless path for your audience to purchase your products directly from your Squarespace site. Let's get started by opening the Squarespace editor. To do this, navigate to the page where you want the Add to Cart button to appear. Once you're on the desired page, look for the Edit button and click it. This will allow you to make changes to the page and insert new elements such as the Add to Cart button, which will enhance the functionality of your online store. Next, you'll want to add a block to your page. Look for an insertion point, which is represented by a small plus icon. This icon allows you to add various types of content blocks to your page. Click the plus icon and from the list of available options, select Product. This is the block type that will allow you to showcase your products along with the Add to Cart feature. With the product block now added, the next step involves selecting the specific product you want to display. In the search bar that appears, type in the name of the product you have already created in your Commerce panel. This search function helps you quickly locate the exact product you want to feature, making it easier to manage your inventory and ensure that the correct items are being displayed to your customers. Once you've found and selected your product, it's time to customize the display settings. In the block settings, you'll see an option to toggle on the Add to Cart button. Make sure this option is enabled. By doing this, you are providing a direct and convenient method for customers to add the product to their shopping cart without any additional steps. It's a small addition that can significantly improve the user experience on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added an Add to Cart button to your Squarespace site. This small but crucial feature not only enhances the functionality of your online store, but also helps in boosting sales by making the purchasing process as simple and straightforward as possible for your customers. Remember, a seamless shopping experience is key to retaining customers and encouraging repeat business. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to explore other guides on optimizing your Squarespace site. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your online presence.